Quite the advocate. Residents of rural Portland say that a deteriorating roadway is putting their safety at risk. They argue that when vehicles pass, they're forced to squeeze into the corners of the narrow roadway, and poor drainage now sends rainwater into their yards. Our reporter is Kevin Black. He visited the area and tells us more.
The road is so narrow, you can't send your kids on the road.
Residents in Long Bay, Port Antonio are disgruntled by some gaps identified in the road infrastructure, which they deem to be a health and safety hazard. Our news team recently caught up with some residents from the area, and they told us their prevailing plights, as well as some issues they want to be rectified by the relevant authorities.
There's no drains, there's no sidewalk, there's no retaining wall. There's nothing. No, the road was not lifted, and this is one of the most dangerous parts of the road when there's a hurricane. The sea comes in your house. The narrowness of the road, you can't make a mistake and walk sideways. You have to walk like a crab on the roadway.
They explain that when vehicles approach, they have no choice but to step into the corners of the road to avoid being hit.
Sometimes when the vehicle drive fast, we have to screech up in the corner. And sometimes we have to go so. You understand? You can lick your hand and then something, you understand?
Them things are not going to work. First of all, because you can't say road complete and we still have this, you know.
They're speeding a lot. My dog got knocked down because of a car overtaking and I was going to the beach.
Residents also pointed to poor drainage, explaining that rainfall often sends water flowing off the road and straight into their yards.
The road look like it need for even resurface and build back, all the drain need for rebuild, because the drain stop up and then now do no purpose.
When the rain fall, the whole of year so full of water. I can't come out of my yard, none at all.
I'm very concerned about this drainage right here in front of my business place. It's very unsanitary. There are rats, roaches, all of them, something they pile up in it.
For now, residents say they'll continue to wait, hopeful that relief will come. Kevin Black reporting for CVM News.